Hey guys, welcome back to Jordan vs. Life on the building side of life. Now today we're going to be making a sling out of paracord. Now I'm not talking like the arm sling you hold your arm in. It's a traditional tool used to famously kill Goliath in the Bible. But I'm going to be using it to maybe hunt some small game or the board you always see me shoot, because I don't need to kill animals for food because I got food in my fridge. Now let's do this! Alright guys, now the paracord I'm going to be using is called Secure Line 550 nylon paracord. But it only holds up to 110 pounds because that's what the 550 stands for. I have 50 feet of it, so let's go ahead and cut it up. Now this project's going to be pretty simple. You're only going to need three things. You're going to need a paracord, a knife, and a lighter. I have the lighter over there somewhere. I need to sharpen my knife up. Alright, and now that you have your length, the best way to measure the length of the thing you want is to act like this is the arrow of a bow, and then draw it back like this. Just pull it all the way back like you're drawing an arrow. And that's about the approximate size you're going to want it to be for it to be comfortable. And then I'm just going to add a little bit extra to make the room for the pouch. And to make the pouch is going to be very simple. You take this, like this, and you basically want to make an S shape. There we go. Now the pocket's going to depend on however big you make the S shape. If you want a big pocket, you make a bigger S shape. If you want a smaller pocket, you make a smaller S shape. It just depends on what type of rocks and stuff you plan on throwing. But whenever you do that, you wrap it around, and then you take the end of your paracord, and you just slide it through both holes. Yeah, I didn't cut this paracord, this might take a second. You're just going to want to pull it tight. Like that. Then you want to do it to the other side too. Alright guys, and when you get to this stage, so you have both ends tied like that, it's all good to go. You're going to want to take your extra paracord that you have, whether it's a different color or not. It's about the only customization you'll be able to get with one of these is doing a different lace on the middle. I'm just going to use the same color. Just going to do a simple knot real quick. And then push that down. We'll take care of this in a minute and make sure it doesn't move. But then you want to take all your extra paracord. The freak? Get out of here, leaf. Alright, that should be more than enough. Finally. And then you're going to want to interlace it like this. Under one, then over, then under again. And you're going to do this with all of it, alright? But except when you go back, you reverse it. You go over, then under, then over again. And while you're doing this, you're going to want to keep it tight. And it might be a little bit difficult at first, but after you get to about right here, it'll hold its shape really well. Don't worry, guys. It's just going to take a minute to do. And when you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Hopefully a little bit better. But yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and show you that you take one of the ends that you're going to tie around your middle finger. And you're just going to make a small little knot real quick. There you go, just tighten it up, and that's going to be the part that you hold on your finger. That way whenever you release it, it'll just stay on there, and you won't have to worry about it flying off. Now, this is going to make it a little bit uneven if you just leave it like this. So to make it even, and to make it easier to release, you're going to do this. You're going to hold it up there. There we go, come on. Alright, you're going to hold it out here, and you're just going to make knots. And these knots are also going to do another thing. Besides just making it shorter and making it the right length, they're going to give you something so you know which like little trigger mechanism to release from. Yeah, after I get these knots done, we're going to go outside and have some target practice. Don't expect a lot. Just made all the knots in one place, and there we go. Our sling is now finished. Now let's go shoot it. Alright guys, first try, no practice. Please don't break the window. Well guys, the rock landed over there, right over there in that area, right there. And when I went over there to get the rock, a little snake head popped out. Now, I don't know about y'all, but me and snakes don't mix. I am like deathly terrified of them. So I'm gonna leave that rock there, I'm gonna leave that snake there, and I'm gonna get my stuff, and I'm gonna go inside. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Jordan vs. Life on the building side of life. Now, if you like this type of content, don't forget that like button. Also, if you want more content like this weekly, I do upload weekly, like I just said. Now, if you got a comment down about my sling, or about how well I can't shoot, don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section below, or if you have another idea of what else we could do. Without further ado guys, peace.